The CS65x has a text overlay feature that makes it easy to add text to still images and video. To create a text title, press the spacebar and type your text into the box. Your text appears in the middle of the screen, and you can leave it there or you can reposition it. To move the text, highlight the move icon and press Enter. Use the arrows to reposition the text, and when you have it where you want it, press the Enter key. To superimpose the text onto the screen, highlight the green checkmark icon and press Enter. Text is embedded into images and video recordings exactly as it appears on screen. As long as you see the text, it's being recorded, and you can clear the text at any time by pressing the Escape key. For additional tutorials and product information, visit the seesnake support website and the Rigid Today YouTube channel. And for updates on our latest videos, be sure to subscribe.